Mà lọ wedding kan mà ni.
I went to a certain wedding.
Mo mọ ọmọ tó fẹ́, mo mọ ọmọ méjì tó fẹ́ ṣe wedding.
I know both the groom and the bride.
Mo mọ ìyá ìyàwó.
And I know the mother of the bride.
Mo mọ ìyá ọkọ.
I also know the mother of the groom.
Mo mọ bàbá ìyàwó.
I
Mo
know
mọ bàbá
the
ọkọ.
father of the bride and the father of the groom.
Nígbà tí wọ́n ní kí àwọn òbí wá jókòó,
So when they told the parents to come and sit
àyè
down,
tó fi sílẹ̀ fún ìyá ìyàwó,
the seat had been reserved for the bride's
ìyá kan dẹ̀
mother.
lọ jókòó síbẹ̀.
A woman went there to sit there.
Ìyá ìyàwó dẹ̀ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀.
And the bride's mother allowed it.
Ó ní ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ òun nìyẹn.
She said that, yeah, she's her husband's elder sister.
Pásítọ̀ dà, kí ni mo ṣe ń jọ yẹn?
What did I do?
Mo ní ẹ dìde ní àyè aláyè.
I told her to vacate the seat of another person.
Ní àyè, ó wà láyé.
I said the owner of the seat is alive.
Ìyá tó ní ṣe jà bóyá wọn ò mọ̀ ni.
I said it's not fight.
Ẹ dìde ní àyè aláyè.
You should vacate
Ẹni tó
another
ní
man's seat.
àyè, ó wà láyé.
The owner of the seat is
Sọ
still
fún
alive.
Ọlọ́run.
Tell God.
Ta ló ń lo àyè
Who
lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́
is
báyìí?
using my space right now?
Olúwa mo ṣetán.
Father, I am ready.
Yèmí sí.
My senses are
Gba àyè mi fún mi lánàá ẹ̀ kó
Take my
gbàdúrà
seat
mi
for
báyìí.
me.